Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. In the last lecture, we started a very important topic of English grammar, and that is active passive voice. I told you what is a verb. Verb is a word which shows some action. For example, write, play, watch, study, smell, run, walk, think. These all words are verbs. Then I told you what is a voice. Voice is also the form of a verb. When the subject performs any task, we say it is a voice. Then we discussed active and passive voice, and I differentiated and I elaborated the how to change the voice from active to passive for all the tenses. And today in lecture number 2 we will discuss 10 important sentences for active and passive voice. And before starting today's lecture, I request everyone subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel, and click the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos. Let's start. Number 1 is I saw him leaving the house. Dear students, we discussed in the last lecture it is past indefinite tense, and what is the sign of this sentence? Always second form of the verb will be used, and saw, this is the second form of see, saw, seen. And how will you make the passive voice? We discussed everything in the last lecture, just we will revise the topic. He was seen, him will be changed in he. There are 3 kinds of the pronoun: he, his, him, she, her, they, their, them, we, our, us, you, your, you. It is he, his, him. If you write in the beginning, him will not be used, her will not be used, us will not be used. What will you say? He was seen leaving the house by me. At the end, third form of the pronoun will be used, and I will not be used, me will be used. But I will tell you again, he was seen leaving the house by me. Is it clear to you? Number 2, who is bothering you? It is a very important one. When there is a question in a sentence and it is who, you will have to write by whom always. And it is present continuous tense. As I told you, is, am, are will be used, or first form with ing will be used. And if you want to change the voice from active to passive, how will you do? By whom are you being bothered? Now the third one is the doctor was examining him. It is past continuous tense. What is the sign? Was or were will be used, and first form with ing. And you want to change the voice, what will you do? He was being examined. Third form, he was being examined by the doctor. That will be the correct option in the multiple choice questions. Number 4 is men all over the world love money. The passive voice of that sentence will be money is loved all over the world, because it is present indefinite tense. There is no use of any helping verb. There is no use of is, am, are, has, have, had, will, shall. It means that is present indefinite tense and first form is given. These are the 2 signs of present definite tense. And what will you do? Money is loved all over the world. Number 5 is how did he obtain good marks in English? That is past indefinite tense, because did has been used. It is the indication of past indefinite tense, and you want to make the passive voice. What will you do? How was he how were good marks obtained by him in English? That will be the correct one. Number 6 is students have elected him secretary of the union. It is present perfect tense. There are 2 signs for it. Has or have will be used, and third form will be used. And you want to change the voice. What will you do? He has been elected secretary of the union by the students. Number 7 is Ali had given him a present. That is past perfect tense. There are two signs for it. In paper, had will be used and third form will be used, and you want to change its voice. What will you do? He had been given a present by Ali. Number 8 is we are playing football. It is present continuous tense. Is MR will be used and then first form with ing will be used. What will you do? Football is, because football is one, R has been used with V, but we are replacing V with football. Football will be in the start, and football is a singular noun, and it will take is, not am, not are. Football is being played by us. As I told you, we will not be used in the end, us will be used. Number 9 is the mason is building the wall. It is also present continuous tense. What will you do? The wall is being built by the mason. Number 10 is also very important, like the question number 2 who did this? Who will be changed by whom? By whom was this done? Third form of did is done. By whom was done this?